Is your bathroom cramped and uncomfortable? Are the tiles cracked and grout crumbling? Does your vanity only have one sink? We are here to help you. Bathroom Renovators Ottawa has been serving homeowners throughout Ottawa and the National Capital Region. With years of experience in completing a variety of large and small bathroom renovations, we will help you build the bathroom of your dreams at affordable prices every time. We specialize in efficient bathroom design and remodeling, custom vanities, bathtubs, walk-in tubs, showers, fixtures and tiles. If you are looking for bathroom renovations in Ottawa, give us a call, 343 633-3907 today to discuss your renovations desires. Or visit us at www.bathroomrenovatorsottawa.com.